What's up guys, welcome back to Foot Down Racing, and if you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. It's good to have you with us. In this video I'll be showing you a couple of things you can do to get the cockpit camera just right for your particular monitor setup in Dirt Rally 2.0. Those of you on PC will have one extra option that unfortunately isn't available to those playing on console. The first thing we need to do is pop on over here to Options and Extras. Go over to Input. Put these buttons on the keyboard or the wheel. I like to have them on the wheel, so I'll just show you here. Go down to Input Bindings. Okay. And here, see these seat adjustments. You want to create a button for the seat adjustment forward, backwards, up, down, and also for the tilt up, tilt down. Okay, so go ahead and assign buttons to each one of those 6 movements. We'll pop on into the game and I'll show you how we can utilise them buttons to adjust our screen to suit our needs. Alright, so here we are in game. Now, I have my steering wheel on for making any adjustments, so to put that on, go into your start menu, down to Options, then Game Settings, Preferences, and then pop Cockpit Driver and Wheel, put that on. And then come back out of here. Now this will help you set up where you want your wheel aligned. So we have adjustments that we can make. Make sure you are in, if you go through your options here, you don't want this one. You don't want this one here either. You want the driver's eye cockpit view. And then you can make all the adjustments with the assigned buttons. Okay, so if we want to bring our seat forward, press your seat forward button and you can adjust it to your to get your wheel in line. So that's a bit too far forward. For me, that looks about right. We can adjust up and down as well. So we can go down there, that's as far as I can go, or else I can go up. Alright, that's too high for me now. So that's that there. For where I'm sitting now, it might look slightly askewed there on the camera because you're offset. But for me, that looks pretty good. You can also, don't forget the tilt up and down option. It's like tilting your head, I suppose, but you can tilt it with your assigned button. I have it on the up down arrow here, so adjust that to your needs as well. Option for the PC users as well, if you go into Options here in the in-game menu, Game Settings, go over to Preferences, and you have an option here for Camera Field of View. You have narrow and wide, it's a slider. So narrow, I'll show you what that does now. We'll apply that. It's going to zoom me right in. If I have a small monitor and I want to make the picture as big as possible, give myself the best view, this is the setting I'd use. This is too narrow for me. My screen is too big and it's too close up to me. So we're not going to use that. Let's go back in and I will show you preferences again. Let's go full wide. Okay. This is going to be too wide of a field of view for me, but we'll check it out. Okay, look how far back we're sitting here. Steering wheel is tiny on screen. This would be if you had a big massive screen in front of you. I can nearly see the co-driver and all over there. But that's not going to be suitable for me, but you can play around with it for your own monitor. If you're on PC, feel free to do so. I think this is pretty good for me, I think. 4 notches. Yeah, that's me. That is perfect. That's the video. Quick tutorial there. I hope it was helpful to some people. If it was, don't forget to smash that like button. Much appreciated. And if you're not already subscribed, think about doing so for more videos like this. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next one.